Welcome to Saving and Citing Items in EBSCO. This video will demonstrate how to save and cite sources from EBSCO databases. Check the video description for links to our other videos about searching in the EBSCO suite of databases. Let's do a search in EBSCO to find some information sources. You have many options to save articles in EBSCO to come back to later. Some of these options are only available if you have a personal account. If you plan to do a lot of research in EBSCO, I recommend creating an account. It helps you organize your research and ensures you won't lose anything you save. I'm currently signed in to my EBSCO account, so I have these options available. While looking at an item in the list of search results, you have the bookmark icon, which will save the item to a folder. You also see the three dots menu, which is the Tools menu. Click on the three dots to see more Save and Cite options. Let's click on the Cite option. This will bring up a pop-up menu. Use the drop-down menu to select your citation style and create a citation for the item. These citation generators are not always correct, especially if the article was written in a different citation style than the one you are using. Be sure to check with your citation manual or the library citation resources to be sure that they are accurate. From this Cite menu, you can also export the citation to your selected citation management system. Click on the Export Citation menu. If you don't see your system listed here, you can download in the RIS format and add it to your system, like the ones that are listed here. If you're adding multiple sources, I suggest you add them to a folder and export them all at one time. Also in the Tools menu is the option to add to a project. This option is only if you have an EBSCO account. You can create a project folder for a class or a specific project that you are working on. Having an account means that EBSCO will save your items and they'll be in your folders when you log back in. When you click the Share option, you can send the citation to Google Drive, OneDrive, or create a permanent link back to the item. You can also share it via email. Again, if you're saving multiple items, it's a good idea to save them to a folder and send them all at once. So let's click on the title of this article to see the full options on how to save. In the top right corner, we see a row of icons. These icons are the same options we had in the Tool menu: Bookmark, Cite, Save to Project, Share, and Download. If we scroll down, you also have the details for the article, as well as the abstract, which is a summary of the article. This will help you decide if you want to read or save the article while you're looking at a list of results. In the left-hand column is your dashboard. This is where your saved items and your projects will appear. And again, this is a permanent way to save and organize your search results. Click the link in the description for the University Library's EBSCO Databases playlist for more tips and tricks on using EBSCO. If you have more questions about using EBSCO or any of the library's resources, be sure to ask a librarian.